everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm today I'm gonna be introducing myself. So my name is actually Carl Samuel C. Malyari, and my brother's, and I'm using my brother's account because I don't have an account on YouTube, and I'm bored at 2013 October 9th. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna change my content. So since like I was the kid like that was like making videos when I was like younger, because because I was bored. I want to be popular. And sorry for my cringe videos, because don't watch those videos that are nonsense. So my new content will be like gaming or vlogging other things. So my videos are so cringe because I like do pretend play. I was just like pretending like to be something like, yeah. So sorry for my cringe videos. I'll be changing my contents, and sorry for not posting very long. And my TikTok is Carl4589. If you want to see my TikTok, searches so you can see my edits. So my TikTok is Carl4589, and my zodiac sign is Libra. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching. Bye.